Like, this is not something you come across in any of the RC guides. It was personal to me. Like, this is why I was going wrong. And similarly, there are going to be some mistakes that only you will make. Nobody else will make those mistakes. So how do you identify those mistakes? This is how you do it, where you analyze every single mistake properly. And unless you've come to a point where you've been able to take away a tangible learning from it, don't let go of that. Ask yourself these questions. This introspection will reveal the blind spots that will help you get the breakthrough. And I can't tell you like how quick my progress became, especially after I started doing this analysis. I literally did half the number of questions I did previously, and my accuracy was almost near 100%, only because I was so hell-bent on analyzing every single mistake I made with this particular question in my mind. And especially on RC, I'm saying like I did not do this so much for like CR and quant because I still kind of navigated my way through those sections relatively easily. But RC was an Achilles heel for me. Like I have spent I don't know how many weeks in turmoil because I was just not able to find the breakthrough. And these are the things like I'm sharing these tips with you on on a daily basis so that it doesn't get too overwhelming for you, and you can act on these things every single day. And by the end of the week, you will have all the information that you need to have to be able to then proceed to practicing questions, just practicing questions, and apply the things that you've learned.